How to add payment method in Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will simply guide you on how to add payment method in Facebook. So now let's get started. First of all, launch the Facebook app or go to facebook.com in your web browser. Now tap the three horizontal lines in the top right or bottom right corner. Again, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Here, again tap on Settings. Now, look for Payments in the Your Facebook Information section and tap on it. Again, tap on Add Payment Method. Now, select your preferred payment option like credit, debit card, or PayPal and fill the necessary information. After filling the necessary information, tap on Save to finish the process. So this is how to add payment method in Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.